Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import content from Instagram to Threads using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Instagram and Threads and content that was posted to the Instagram account. In this tutorial, we are focusing on an image. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go a little bit onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the Instagram account. We have content posted to our Instagram account. We have a reel as well as an image. Let's now navigate to our Threads account. Go to the handle. Click on this. Make sure that you are signed into your Threads account. Go to the bottom right corner where we have the plus sign and then go to Instagram. This will allow us to share from Instagram either an image or a video. Let's just share the image for today. Click on this. This is my first post for Computer Science Videos. Change that to Threads. That was imported via Instagram. Let's now click on post. That is now posting. That has now been posted. Let's now click on view and there we have it. This is my first post for Computer Science Videos on Threads. That was imported via Instagram. Go back one. And here we have that image on my timeline within my profile for Threads. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.